Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various companies like PWC, Capgemini, Paytm, Concentrix, and the important hiring. So if you are the freshers looking for internship and job opportunity, then this video is for you. So first important opportunity that is from the PWC, they are hiring for the role of cyber R&R and data analytics role, associate role. This is a associate position. So if you want, you can apply for this. These are the some roles and responsibility you will be having. The knowledge they are requiring that SQL, Tableau, Power BI, and MS Excel. Okay, so good to having accounting experience or cloud experience. So candidates from the BE, BTech or MCA background from reputed college university, you can apply for this important opportunity. Remember friends, if you can get referral, then this will be also good things. Next important opportunity that is from the Rupeek. They are hiring for the role of technocrat internship May 2026, and duration for this is 6 months. The stipend you will be getting 25,000 per month. So you have to just give the basic details. So BE, BTech, MCA students are eligible for this, and you should means your college should allow for this important internship. So 2025 2026 both can apply, and the CGPA you have to mention. So currently you should be having greater than 8 CGPA, then only will be eligible for this. So you can select the location according to that, and you have to basically upload your resume. Next important company that is from the Capgemini, they are hiring for the role of associate data scientist, and this is also wonderful role. So a profile you should be having knowledge of Python, SQL, and data analysis, and other tech stacks are requirements. So if you have knowledge and if you want to apply for this wonderful opportunity, you can apply. The job location will be the Bombay, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore and Kolkata. Next important, and this is a multiple and direct based hiring from the Concentrix. So they are hiring for freshers. So you can apply for various roles. So these are the roles like operation support role, representative operations. So I will provide this link directly. You can apply for that. Okay, like these are the some locations. The basic requirement means all graduates are eligible, and you should be having just good communication skills and having the computer knowledge. So if you want, you can apply for this. Next important opportunity that is from the Tech Mahindra. This is for the role of customer support and walk-in drive. So earlier I have also provided updates. So till tomorrow you can walk in there, and you can also call them, and this is the location, Gitanjali Park, Tech Mahindra, third floor, block B, Rajarhat. You can go there. Next important opportunity that is from the BCA, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech 2020-2026, and experience 6 months required. So 2024 and 2025 batch who have some experience or knowledge in Java, Spring Boot, or AWS, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. So you can share your updated resume to this mail ID. Next important opportunity that is from the Surutel. They are hiring for the role of software engineer, and freshers are equal for this. So you can apply for this important opportunity. The job location will be Indore, and the requirement is you should be having computer science background and other things. So friends, recently teachers have announced the result. First of all, congratulations who got the results. Okay, and if you want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can also fill our form link in the description, and we'll provide you complete support and guidance which will help you to clear this interview. So best of luck those who have interview further. Either you are giving to mock interview to me or not, but you should practice the mock interview, because through mock interview only you will know about you, about your strength and weakness. So best of luck and give your best in the interview. Next important thing that is from the Adidas. They are hiring for the role of internship project management, and this is your internship. So I will suggest college students must apply for this, and these are the some important things. The knowledge they are requiring that you should be having at least basic knowledge of MS Excels, and these are the some roles you can go through it. So MBA, PGDM graduate, freshers degree are apply eligible for this. So I hope it is informative to you. कोई भी query feel free to ask her. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, WhatsApp or whatever platform are compatible with. And best of luck those who have interview and those who exam further. कोई भी query है you can ask here. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.